Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'm taking a look at a little Spyderco knife that I saw online and I just kind of had to order it. Now, unfortunately, it looks like the box for my Spyderco knife has taken a little bit of a beating. But this is the Spyderco Squarehead, and I'm hoping it's as cool as it looked online. And so it's supposed to be all refined ergonomics and the fancy Spyderco hole. Let's stick that somewhere else. Alright, so let's check this thing out. Wow, this seems to have been like taped shut. That does not inspire confidence, does it? Alright. So this is the Squarehead. It's kind of cool. It's definitely square. See how sharp this thing is. I should also do my best to turn off some lights accidentally when I do that. Let me grab a piece of Post-it note paper so we can see if we'll be able to protect ourselves from such things. Alright. Well, that's pretty sharp. It seems relatively sharp to me. Alright, so it comes out of the box pretty sharp. It's actually... it's a little heavy. A little bit heavier than I was expecting it to be. It looks like it's for... you can put it on like the end of a strap. Let's see. Do they have any suggestions about how to use this thing? I just got it because it looked kind of cool. Blah, blah, blah. Products and warranty and stuff. Doesn't look like it. Neat. So, what you have is, you kind of have a liner lock right here. And it feels super awkward closing it back up. I feel like you have to be careful to avoid like shaving some of your finger off. So here's a big question. Can you open this thing one-handed? Well, can I open it one-handed? You may be quite... oh, okay. Huh. Aside from being hard on the gloves, seems to work okay. Kind of a neat little knife. I don't know where it fits. Like, how can I put this? It seems to me like this is a neat gadget, right? And it's Spyderco, so it wasn't cheap. I want to say it was like, I don't know. I'll include a link in the description. You can check out how much it was. I feel like it was more than 50 bucks. And this feels like one of those things, like I was ordering something late one night and I was like, man, that knife looks neat. So that might be how it ended up. But it feels, okay. So, man, it does hate my gloves. Okay, so here's the deal. It feels really solid, like the metal parts. And, I mean, it feels well put together. And I could open it one-handed, which was an impressive thing. I feel super weird when you close it, though. I mean, maybe there should have been like a piece of like plastic over this part. Of course, maybe not. I don't know. What do y'all think? This is kind of a strange one. And, I mean, it's interesting. But I don't know where this thing... there's a little rocket ship on the blade. See? It's kind of neat. Anyway, I just don't know where this fits, like, in my life. And it's apparently, according to the blade, looks like it's made in Taiwan. So, I don't know. Sometimes you run across something and you're like, That's neat, but I don't know where it goes. And I feel like this is one of those things. Let me know what you think. Can y'all see like a great use for this? Like a niche this thing fills? Or is this just a weird gadget? I don't know. I'm leaning toward weird gadget, but maybe there's something I'm not thinking of. Anyway, let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions or suggestions for things I should check into, you can let me know down there too. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.